A very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are active and learning. Let's begin our English class. Do you know what helps us in traveling? Yes, transport. So, today we will learn transport's name. Now, speak with me. Car. This is car. Bus. This is bus. Van. This is van. Jeep. This is jeep. Truck. This is truck. Train. This is train. Ship. This is ship. Boat. This is boat. Very good. Now, let's write in our notebook. Come with me. So, let's start. C-A-R. Car. B-U-S. Bus. V-A-N. Van. J-E-E-P. Jeep. Truck. Train. Train. Boat. Boat. Ship. Ship. Let's recite. Car. Bus. Bus. Van. Jeep. Truck. Train. Boat. Ship. Now you have to learn and practice in your notebook. We will meet soon. Till then, bye-bye.